If you're a beginner looking into dropshipping, you might be stuck deciding between Dropified versus Modalyst. Both tools promise to simplify the process, but which one actually delivers for someone just starting out? Stick around because I'm going to break down the key features, pros, and cons of both platforms so you can make an informed decision. And by the end, I'll share a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's start with the basics. Dropified is a dropshipping tool that lets you import products from suppliers directly into your store. It offers automation for order fulfillment and has an easy-to-use interface. But the thing is, while it does its job, it's not always as intuitive as it could be for beginners. It's got plenty of features, but some of them might overwhelm you if you're just getting started. Next thing, let's talk about Modalyst. This is another dropshipping tool that promises simplicity. Modalyst connects with a range of suppliers, including premium ones, which can help you sell quality products. The platform is really beginner-friendly, especially with its clear integration with Shopify. You can quickly add products to your store without a steep learning curve. The downside, though, is its pricing. While it offers a free plan, it's pretty limited. If you want access to more features and better products, you'll have to pay. The fourth thing you should consider is pricing. Dropified's plans start higher than Modalyst, and while it's packed with advanced features, it can get expensive if you want access to the full suite of tools. So, if you're looking to start on a budget, Modalyst might be a more affordable option, but remember, you might hit those limitations faster than you'd like, especially if you want access to better suppliers. The fifth thing worth mentioning is automation. Dropified automates much of the dropshipping process, which can be a time saver for store owners. It automates things like order fulfillment, tracking, and even returns, which is a huge plus for beginners who don't want to get bogged down in the details. Modalyst also automates some aspects, but it's not as comprehensive. While it does help with product imports and order management, it lacks some of the deep automation features that Dropified offers. Now, let's talk about the supplier options. Dropified offers a wide variety of suppliers, but you might find yourself sifting through options to find the best deals, which can be time-consuming. Modalyst, on the other hand, offers a curated list of suppliers, including more high-end brands. This might appeal to beginners who want to focus on quality over quantity, but the trade-off is that you might pay more for products. If you're just starting out, it could be worth considering if paying extra for premium suppliers is worth it. The last thing I'll mention is the overall support. Dropified offers good support, but it can be hard to get quick help unless you're paying for their higher-tier plans. Modalyst, however, has responsive customer service and easy-to-understand resources, making it a great option for beginners who might need a bit more hand-holding as they get started. To sum up, both Dropified and Modalyst are solid tools for dropshipping, but they come with their own strengths and weaknesses. Dropified has more robust automation and a wider range of suppliers, but it can be a bit overwhelming and expensive for beginners. Modalyst is easier to use, especially if you're already on Shopify, but it has limitations in its free plan, and the premium suppliers may not always justify the price for someone just starting out. That being said, if you're truly serious about your dropshipping journey and want a platform that combines ease of use with powerful features without the price tag, there's a better option out there. After trying both Dropified and Modalyst, I can confidently say that the first link in the description will give you access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits. You'll get the right tools, without the complexity and without breaking the bank.